Keep on dancing. It's fun. What a hot dog day.
Hot dog, hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for? Get up, stretch out, stomp on the floor. Hot dog, hot diggity dog. Hot dog, hot dog.
Well, shake it up, baby, now. Shake it up, baby. Twist and shout. Twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby, now. Come on, baby. Come on and work it on out. Work it on out. Well, work it on out. Work it on out. You know you look so good. Look so good. You know you got me going now. Got me going. Just like I knew you would. Like I knew.
Then the light begins to shine. I hear those ancient lullabies. And as I watch this evening grow, feel my heart start to overflow. Where do I find the words to say? How do I teach him? What do we play? Bit by bit, I realize that's when I need them. That's when I need my father's eyes. My father's eyes. That's when I need my father's eyes. My father's eyes.
Oh, but most of all, for butterfly kisses after bedtime prayer, sticking little white flowers all up in her hair. Walk beside the pony, daddy, it's my first ride. I know the cake looks funny, daddy, but I sure tried. Oh, with all that I've done wrong, I must have done something right to deserve a hug every morning and butterfly kisses at night. I could stay awake just to hear you breathing, watch you smile while you are sleeping, while you're far away and dreaming. I could spend my life in this sweet surrender. I could stay lost in this moment forever. Every moment spent with you is a moment I treasure. Don't wanna close my eyes, I don't wanna fall asleep, 'cause I miss you, baby, and I don't wanna miss a thing, 'cause even when I dream of you.
Singing Radiohead at the top of our lungs. never gonna change. Stay, won't you stay forever? Stay, if you stay forever, hey, we can stay forever young. And singing Radiohead at the top of our lungs, with the boombox blaring as we're falling in love. Gotta follow whatever, but it's getting us drunk, singing here's to never grow.
Deja que te hable de mis sueños tras el tiempo